The question here is BIRADS stands for. So this breast imaging, this is common breast imaging. Apart from that, RADS itself is a radiological term wherein we have reporting and data system. What is the other famous reporting data system which we see nowadays? It is QRADS. Similarly, we have prostate related ones, prostate reporting, and similarly we have thyroid reporting, TRADS. So there are many systems, but for exam point of view, medical PG entrance examinations, commonly asked one is breast imaging reporting and data system. Okay, why do we need a separate reporting and data system? Just to make sure that the radiology report given by the various radiologists across the nation, across the country or across the world, it should be standardized. Okay, by framing this reporting and data systems, you will get a standardized report, right? And this BIRADS is actually developed by American College of Radiology. It is of international standards, and many of us assume that BIRADS is only applicable to mammography. It's not only for mammography, the same principles also apply for ultrasound, and they also apply for MRI of the breast. So there are three radiological entities for which BIRADS apply. So whenever you're giving, whenever you see a report of any ultrasound breast or mammogram of breast, there is BIRADS categories will be there. BIRADS 0 means it's an incomplete investigation. You are unable to make out anything out of the imaging, right? You may require a follow-up investigation again. Okay, so this is BIRADS 0. BIRADS 1 is negative or normal kind of thing. Okay, negative in the sense there is no masses there, there's no architectural disturbances, or there's no suspicious calcifications. Negative. There is mass, but it is benign. Then it is BIRADS 2. This is benign finding. You can ignore. There's no follow-up required. But BIRADS 3, they say probably benign. What does it mean? Probably benign in the sense maybe you have to do some follow-up later on. Okay, after a short interval, follow-up is suggested. In the report, if you see BIRADS 4, then the problem starts. Okay, it's a suspicion. Okay, it's a kind of, what I say, it's a suspicious of malignancy. And whenever you're suspecting malignancy, there are again three entities in this: A, B, C. It is low suspicion for malignancy, it is moderate suspicion for malignancy, and it is very high suspicion for malignancy, almost in the range of more than 2 to 10% here, between 10 to 20%, 10 to 15%, and it is almost more than 50% probability to up to 95% chances there. So what to do in these? Here it is follow up in BIRADS 3. In BIRADS 4, if the report says BIRADS 4, you have to go for biopsy. Okay, biopsy is advised. And almost if there is more than 95% of the suspicious of malignancy, then we call it as very highly suggestive of malignancy. This is BIRADS 5. It's almost don't even go for any biopsy. You can confirm that it is a malignancy. And again 6 is it's a biopsy proven one. Already previous case of CA breast. So in those cases, it's a biopsy proven one. So this is BIRADS system, very important one. Likewise, you also need to prepare for QRADS system, which is again important for exam point of view. And there is one more system in thyroid one. This is histopathological system, thyroid cytology, okay, which was also asked from general surgery point of view.